2027 Subaru Crosstrek is arriving with upgrades significant enough to make buying any other small SUV a decision you'll regret the moment it hits dealerships. If you've been searching for a subcompact SUV that delivers real off-road hardware, a capable hybrid option, and all-wheel drive without forcing you into a higher budget, this is exactly the vehicle you've been waiting for. The 2027 Crosstrek is bringing a brand new hybrid powertrain, a purpose-built off-road variant, and standard all-wheel drive that no rival in this class can match. And none of it comes with a significant price increase, which is why waiting for the 2027 Subaru Crosstrek is a genius move. Number 6. Wilderness. Very few subcompact SUVs offer a dedicated off-road variant. Building one takes engineering investment most manufacturers won't commit to at this price point. The 2027 Crosstrek Wilderness is one of the rare exceptions, and it's arriving with real mechanical upgrades, not just a styling package. Most buyers in this segment have seen that story before. A rugged-looking trim with all-terrain graphics and nothing meaningful underneath. The tires are highway rubber. The suspension is stock. The Wilderness changes that equation. A 0.6-inch suspension lift raises ground clearance to 9.3 inches. Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires wrap matte black 17-inch alloy wheels, and enhanced underbody protection shields the drivetrain from rocks and debris that come with real trail use. Revised gearing improves low-speed control on loose surfaces. Exclusive front and rear bumpers, a bold hexagonal front grille, and enlarged wheel arch cladding give the Wilderness a presence that matches its purpose. Inside, StarTech's water-resistant upholstery replaces standard seat material, a practical choice for anyone who actually uses the capability. A heated, leather-wrapped steering wheel comes standard. Towing capacity reaches 3,500 pounds, more than double the 1,500-pound rating on every other Crosstrek trim. The Wilderness is hardware that earns the name, but for buyers who need efficiency alongside that capability, the powertrain arriving in the hybrid variant might actually be the more compelling story. Number 5. Hybrid powertrain. Hybrid options in the subcompact SUV class have been limited for years. The few that exist tend to involve trade-offs, reduced all-wheel drive capability, or borrowed technology that wasn't designed with this type of vehicle in mind. The 2027 Crosstrek Hybrid sidesteps those compromises. Subaru developed this system specifically for the Crosstrek rather than adapting someone else's setup. Anyone who has shopped a competing hybrid in this segment knows the frustration of discovering that the electrified version loses the very all-wheel drive capability that made the vehicle worth considering. That compromise doesn't exist here. The 2027 Crosstrek Hybrid keeps Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive fully mechanical. The hybrid adds efficiency. Nothing gets subtracted from capability. The powertrain pairs a 2.5-liter boxer engine with an electric motor and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery. Combined output reaches 194 horsepower, the highest across the entire Crosstrek lineup. Subaru is projecting around 36 miles per gallon combined, a 38% improvement over the standard gas model. Put that figure against the Crosstrek's fuel tank, and the projected driving range lands at approximately 621 miles between fill-ups, which is an unusual number for a vehicle of this size and price. Early drive impressions confirm the hybrid as the quickest, most responsive Crosstrek available. That capability holds up specifically because of what's underneath it, and the all-wheel drive system making it all work is something no rival in this class can match. Number 4. All-wheel drive masterclass. Finding all-wheel drive in the subcompact SUV segment usually involves conditions. Most rivals make it optional, restrict it to higher trims, or price it as a separate add-on. Every 2027 Subaru Crosstrek comes with symmetrical all-wheel drive as standard equipment. Base model, hybrid, Wilderness. No exceptions. Anyone who has spent a winter where roads shift from dry to icy within the hour understands what optional all-wheel drive actually means. It means paying extra for something that should have come included. That calculation doesn't apply to the 2027 Crosstrek. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive is a full-time, mechanically connected architecture that distributes power continuously across all 4 wheels. It doesn't wait for wheel slip to engage. Electronic all-wheel drive systems in competing vehicles often react after the fact. The Crosstrek system is already working when conditions shift. Every trim also comes standard with X-Mode dual-mode system and hill descent control, and standard ground clearance of 8.7 inches provides the physical space to put these systems to actual use. The all-wheel drive is a strong foundation, but the engine sitting on top of it determines whether the daily experience holds up for years down the road, and the news there is very good. Number 3. Bulletproof gas engine. Not every Crosstrek buyer needs the hybrid. For those who want straightforward dependability and solid everyday performance, the standard gas model is arriving with a significant change. The old 2.0-liter engine is gone. Every non-hybrid 2027 Crosstrek is now powered by the 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer engine, producing 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, a specification previously reserved for upper trims, now standard across the board. Few things erode confidence in a vehicle faster than an engine that develops a known issue a few years into ownership, especially when the fix involves a significant repair bill and weeks at the dealership. That concern carries far less weight with the 2.5-liter Boxer. RepairPal rates the Crosstrek 4.5 out of 5 for reliability, placing it 5th out of 29 vehicles in its class. No active recalls apply to the current generation for a buyer planning to own a vehicle for a decade. That track record matters more than any single spec sheet number. 0 to 60 acceleration tightens to around 7.9 seconds. Fuel economy lands at 27 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway. Solid figures for a vehicle with standard full-time all-wheel drive and genuine off-road capability. A reliable engine is the core of any ownership case, but what the 2027 Crosstrek is putting on top of that foundation across every trim level makes the complete picture even harder to ignore. Number 2. Loads of features. Buyers spending under $30,000 on a subcompact SUV typically accept concessions on safety technology, on infotainment quality, or on interior materials. The 2027 Crosstrek is reworking what that spending level actually delivers. There's a particular frustration in building out a base trim, getting comfortable with the price, then discovering that the safety features worth having are locked behind an option package. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology is standard on every 2027 Crosstrek trim. This includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning with lane centering, advanced adaptive cruise control, and curve-adapting headlights. Rivals in this class frequently price these systems as optional add-ons. The base model also comes with a dual 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual-zone automatic climate control, and keyless entry with push-button start. The premium trim, at $29,415, adds an 11.6-inch infotainment display with wireless connectivity and USB-C ports front and rear. The Limited brings blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency steering, perforated leather seating, and a 10-way power driver's seat. Both hybrid trims include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with integrated navigation. A Harman Kardon 10-speaker audio system is available on the Wilderness and Limited hybrid for buyers who want the complete package. All of that standard content would be a strong enough argument on its own, but the number that ties it all together might be the most persuasive part of the 2027 Crosstrek's case. Number 1. Segment's Best Buy. Watching a vehicle's price climb with each new model year while the upgrades don't seem to match the increase is one of the more discouraging parts of car shopping right now. The 2027 Subaru Crosstrek is holding its ground while competitors keep moving the price ceiling higher. The 2027 Crosstrek starts at around $28,000, covering the 2.5-liter engine, symmetrical all-wheel drive, EyeSight technology, and a full slate of standard features. The premium arrives at around $29,000. Sport comes in at $32,000. The Limited sits at $34,415. The Wilderness lands at around $35,000. Hybrid trims are priced at $35,500 and $36,500 respectively, within reach without a significant budget stretch. Standard all-wheel drive across every trim, a fully upgraded engine at the base price, genuine off-road hardware, and a complete safety suite from the lowest trim. That combination puts real pressure on competitors to justify their own pricing. Buyers who hold off on the current model are going to get more of everything the Crosstrek does well, without paying more than the segment has come to expect. The 2027 Subaru Crosstrek is building a case that's difficult to argue against: a dedicated Wilderness trim with genuine off-road hardware, a brand new hybrid system that protects all-wheel drive capability instead of sacrificing it, all-wheel drive standard across every single trim, a proven and now fully upgraded 2.5-liter Boxer engine arriving at the base price, a safety suite that rivals charge extra for, and a starting price that hasn't climbed to match what the competition is asking. That's a combination that puts the 2027 Crosstrek in a category of its own within the subcompact SUV segment. Buyers who hold off on the current model aren't just waiting for a refresh, they're waiting for a version of the Crosstrek that finally delivers on every front simultaneously. Still, the competition in this segment is extremely tough, and there are several excellent alternatives. One of them is the new Toyota Corolla Cross, which you can check out in our next video. It may not be the most stylish nor the most capable option around, but it's incredibly efficient and loaded with standard safety features, let alone Toyota's unparalleled reputation for reliability and durability.